At 3:30 p.m., activist Miria Matembe was brought at Luzira Magistrates Court under tight security to answer charges that led to her arrest. Unable to walk on her own, she was supported to the courtroom to appear before Magistrate Gloria Atin. The court read to Matembe one count of promoting sectarianism, contrary to Section 38, 1B of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128.
So, before me I have a charge sheet, and with the offense of promoting sectarianism, that will be read out by my clerk, and it has the consent of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
Uganda versus Miria Matembe, you're a female adult, aged 73 years, Nyankole by tribe, a businesswoman and a resident of Luzira. Miria Matembe, you're a female adult, aged 73 years, you're Nyankole by tribe, a businesswoman and a resident of Luzira in Nakawa East, Kampala district. You've been charged with the offense of promoting sectarianism contrary to Section 38D of the Penal Code Act, 1D of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. And it says, Miria Matembe, in the month of June 2026, in Nakawa Division, within Kampala District, through DK TV Uganda platform, you made or uttered statements to wit that all our taxes are being spent on the Banyankole women ministers, which statements are likely to promote hostility, hatred, or ill will against the members of the Banyankole tribe.
Matembe said she had not understood the charges and requested court to explain.
Have you heard and understood the charge?
But I heard somebody saying sectarianism. What is that? Sectarianism. I don't understand that one.
So, the offense of promoting sectarianism is provided for in the Penal Code Act. Our section
sectarianism,
the ingredients of the meaning of sectarianism, we get them from the law. And the ingredients of what that offense entails are all got from the provisions of the law. So in this instance, according to the charge sheet, it is alleged that you either printed, either you published, you made or you uttered orally a statement, or you did an act which is likely to promote in any other way feelings of ill will or hostility among or against, in this case, Banyankole women ministers, which statements are likely to promote hostility, hatred, or ill will against members of the Banyankole tribe. So that is the sectarianism. That's what is alleged in the statute today.
However, Matembe pleaded not guilty to the alleged offense.
So that you made statements.
I deny that. In the name of Jesus.
So the plea of not guilty has been entered.
Prosecution led by Crotho Miriam informed court that investigations are ongoing and asked court for more time to complete the inquiries. Matembe was briefed on her constitutional right to apply for bail. In her response to court, said her health status had deteriorated since her arrest last week.
For bail, because I'm already done. Because I see you people denying bail, but for me, if you want me to live even one more day, then you deny. So my humble request is, madam, you are a lady like me, and I can see the prosecutor is a lady. So, a senior citizens of my age, with a back problem rating from, is it 92? As a,
This is what
they wanted to write, and I crawled. The policemen know they had to crawl me out of the vehicle.
So whatever you say is evidence of what you will give me in the application. So that I write something reasonable. That's why I'm saying tomorrow morning.
Just our prayer, like our prayer has narrated to you. The circumstances under which he was arrested, abducted, and brought to down.
Matembe informed court that he was suffering from severe back pain and asked court to be released on bail.
The human heart, where has it gone? Where I know my back. It is not the doctor who knows it. It is me, and my people know. That's why they were holding me. I cannot be on those things even tonight. I was thinking when they thought they were bringing me home, I would go to Sirajim there to go to the back. I cannot, madam, you can't kill me tonight. I'm not running away. I'm a Ugandan citizen. I'm not, oh my God. Have human heart and allow that I go either for scan tonight, or I go to that thing where it can, at least the machine was there for one day. How can you just want to kill me like this? I can't imagine. The laws are laws, they are not human beings. The laws procedures don't have a human heart. And you see me, Miria, here, and you know that all these are lies. But you want me to, at least I was saying, I can say it again, even when I was suffering, I said that at least I used to shoot you once. But this breaking, honestly, shattering me to pieces like this, and you are here and you can't allow me to go. If you want evidence, let me go for scan. We shall pay for the scan. And in fact, I was going to ask, anyway, the machine has also gone. You just can't see me like this. And you say, where is evidence? Evidence which cannot be seen from the very person. Does it come from paper? Evidence.
However, the presiding magistrate, Gloria Atim, turned down the plea on account of time management.
And I think the lawyer have understood. Okay? Probably what you're feeling, well, you're the one who knows what you have gone through as of now. I do not know. All I know is today, I got a charge sheet, and I was told you have, I had other files that I also handled. Okay? So I've got your file today, I do not know about the circumstances. I'm saying the order that I order for you today to go to the hospital, at least I do not know that order. That's why I've asked counsel to explain to me, at least if they could cite for me where the High Court has gone to such an order. Because right now, there are some things you're not considering. It is 5, maybe past 5:30. When we process this for security concerns, prisons need to usually go early. So we usually had complaints of when we go early, we're in danger, security-wise. So arrangements will have to be made. Documents will have to be signed in different offices. What time, which office are we going to go to right now? Even the judiciary everywhere, it's already coming to 6 p.m. So it may not be practical. What you desire, I have understood. But I've given an opportunity that within this time, we can just bring all this, better even, to bring a bail application. So that, because this is not treason. Okay? This is not a treason, this is an offense where I've seen the maximum imprisonment for anyone found guilty is 5 years. Okay? So I'm only saying, just bring these documents. I'm going to hear your application tomorrow. And looking by your age, unless there's really any other extenuating, I don't know what other circumstances would be there. You should be able to go for treatment. Just let me also be able, I'm also just a civil servant doing a job. What they call discretion.
Your worship. Your worship. Can I say something, your worship? The combos. Your worship.
Efforts by her lawyers, led by Stephen Kalali, were futile to secure for her bail.
As maximum 10 minutes, we present the application for bail, and then our land colleague, if she deems it fit, can respond. Then court can give us its verdict. We so pray, owing to the situation she's in, because her health is not that good, your worship. It's our humble request.
Documentation right now, and what we are saying is, should you feel you cannot hear this application now, what she's saying, probably you order that she's taken to hospital and she's brought back here tomorrow morning from hospital, because she has told you herself any other day you might not have her. So probably that we can compromise on that. We understand the procedure they've just brought her. It is not your problem equally, it's also not a problem, but owing to her condition, we would pray that you maybe say, if it is a remand to hospital, you give an order, she taken to hospital. Tomorrow morning, even in hospital, she can be guarded and protected. She's not going to run anywhere, other than losing a life in such a manner. That is the prayer we shall make, Your Honor. So that tomorrow morning you can come and we hear the application from hospital.
Likely, your worship, it's what my land friend has read in the report. The person who inspected that says she has a disc degeneration. It's in the report
And
here.
I explained everything.
So your worship, it's our humble prayer still that she could be, the court could make an order so that she's taken.
For us, we don't have an objection for her to go into custody, but under medical care.
What I have not heard is the law under which we are proceeding. That is all. I have to make a ruling on the basis of the law and the facts. Which law are you giving? Because I have never made such an order. So someone to get out. I'm not handing over to prison. I cannot hand over to police.
God, you want to know me, you are asking.
Here, I have
it is even becoming bad.
I have a medical report.
Because of sitting here, oh my God, yeah.
Indicating that I just need her.
Who got scanned, they will see.
That is why I was asking her to confirm whether she was actually examined under police form 24. Because this is the information I have.
How do you examine me?
So she confirms that it was examined?
Oh, examined how? I don't know what to say, because they examined the pressure. Wait, they checked pressure. They, what else? They checked what else? They asked me questions. If examination means asking a question, then they asked me. But this back, I even crawled in that police station. They lifted me. They put me there. They are the ones who even... So if the medical report it is not there. I don't know what you want.
The form, police form, where they were writing, exact question, including numerous questions. That is the police form, where the doctor...
They examined the part.
They made the form application. Our only issue was that this court, in the interest of justice, owing to her situation that...
Today, senior citizen Honorable Miria Matembe was presented in court. She was produced here at Luzira and charged with promoting sectarianism, which charge she denied, of course, and our concern was her health. We tried to apply for bail, but the magistrate says it's late. She cannot hear the bail application today. She can only hear that tomorrow because time has gone. We, considering her health condition, we prayed that the magistrate should order that she is taken to a medical facility, to a hospital for today, where she should be treated because she needs specialized care. Incidentally, even the state attorney did not object to that prayer. They equally have a medical form on their file, which shows that her condition is not good. Unfortunately, the judicial officer, even after hearing this application with no objection from the state, insists that she must be sent to prison and brought back to court to not hear all those applications. Our concern really is that these are things we've been talking about, the police to prison pipeline. It's like our judicial officers were told that every person who appears before them must be sent to prison as a must, which is something we really need to break as a country.
Miria Matembe's case was adjourned to 1st July 2026, when court will hear her bail application.